In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw an isometric circle in AutoCAD. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, type IsoDraft into the command line and press Enter. Select the isometric plane you want to use, such as left, top, or right. For this example, select Isometric Right to set the desired drawing orientation. Next, type ELLIPSE into the command line and press Enter.
Select the Isocircle option from the available Ellipse options. Specify the center point where you want to place the isometric circle. Then enter the desired radius or diameter to set the size of the circle. AutoCAD will create the circle according to the selected isometric plane, giving it a three-dimensional appearance on your 2D drawing. You can use this technique to create circular features, such as holes, pipes, and cylinders in isometric drawings.
And that's how to draw an isometric circle in AutoCAD. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.